Okay. Oh, you have to launch it. I don't know why more people are bringing you Yang. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. Mushu, though, I want you to stay north longer. I don't want you looping back as far because you're just taking your guns out of the game.
Okay.
After all, you do have the longest range, which means that unless it's another Hindenburg, you're gonna be able to outrange them. The only thing that's a threat to you in this game are the Hindenburgs and the Montana. I'm gonna cut in front of you, Mushu.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, Caboose, that they have no idea what you just said.
He said anything? Oh. Apparently one guy understood.
Ich bin? Is it? Jawohl?
Is that even an Earth language?
What?
Whatever that guy's saying, no.
Jawohl. I remember hearing that in TF2. Not sure if it's relevant.
Okay, well, if that's supposed to be German, ja is spelled J-A. Alright, Matt, so I want the battleship sticking
New
out
Yang's
further,
up top.
other than staying close to the rocks. I want the Moskva staying close to the rock. Because the Moskva is going to bow
Warships
tank.
north.
4 ships north?
Yep,
Okay.
TD's here.
Shit.
We have the gun advantage, so again, we're going to be making our push.
My guys, same as before. Just hunker down.
Mm-hmm.
If you have shots, focus at Des Moines. Yeah, radar.
Oh. Want Caboose to radar, right? Hindenburg is trying to hit me from over there.
It's fine.
Wait, did Caboose radar?
Yeah. I have 5 seconds left on it.
Okay, because I'm still spotted by some.
Do you want me or us to continue?
They're hitting the bridge.
The
Continue
New
forward.
Yang's still somewhere up here. I'm assuming that's what spot.
I'm going down.
Yep, there he is.
Hey, Chris, if you need, you can probably be further behind that island and fire over it. Yep, there's Des Moines over here. We're going to be taking care of it.
Old man down already.
Mm-hmm.
I'm basically dead.
Hindenburg's aiming at me, Matt.
Oh, it's on the way.
Just full retreat. Out of motion.
So what went wrong?
We're not using cover effectively. Probably. I don't know. I can't see over there. But I know when I was on that side of the map, it was you were able to
Radar.
use the islands to cover the majority of your ship.
They just had free reign.
Alright, focus down that Hindi. Gonna be running.
Do you want me to do it?
Just start coming back. I'd set up around here right now, but closer around to like that island in the cap.
Tyler, mind the Montana.
Okay.
The enemy.
I'm unspotted. I'm gonna go stealth and heal.
We have the cap advantage, guys.
Yep. Just stay protected. They need to come to us. We have full control of this side of the map. Go stealth.
Tyler, do you
Oh.
want to go to the other
We
side?
got a DD.
Yep.
Moroni's
Gangs
pop
in the
radar.
middle.
Up.
Yep.
There he is.
Take care of them.
Uniformed.
Moroni's, don't show broadside.
There we go.
So, Mushu, you're gonna be just defense for now.
Yep.
Spotted, your Yang's starting to come back.
Their Hindi's way out in the open, if you can see that.
Matt, can you shoot that Hindi?
Sure.
He's slowing down. standstill right now.
He's reversing.
This is good. We're halting their advance, which means that they can't really do much of anything. As long as we keep our lives, you know, we're gonna win this.
I think our cause should be at least spotting over here, or screening over here, if possible.
Yeah, I'm like spotted taking hits. Ooh, torps.
Can you pop your sonar right now?
Then that was a big hit.
It's deep water torps.
No,
South.
to Matt.
Oh.
How much longer till your radar is up here, miss?
20 seconds.
If we can spot the Zao, I can get some shots on him.
Just keep firing at them, Mushu.
Yeah. I can't see any of them.
Give it a few seconds.
Oh, their Hindens
Yep.
is super low.
3, 2, 1. Radar.
Hit that Zao. And Prophet, there you go. Nice. Punish them.
You can where we want him.
Yep.
Okay. Rotating gun so I can support B.
Yep, Matt, he is going to be your wholehearted attention.
Welcome.
Prophet, you're just going to chase down that DD until he's no longer an issue because he's running outside of the range of support, so you don't have to worry about support fire coming in for him. Moronius, you're going to also start working on B, but I want you to go forward, don't reverse.
Yep, I just dodge these torps here.
Mushu,
One of the
you're going to have to
Hindenburg
get back
going to
into
B.
B because they're going to start countering the cap.
Already going in.
Ah!
Moronius need to get in the fight. That's burning hard.
We need 80.60. I can 1v1 this
Careful,
Hindi.
Moronius. You probably had the attention of the Montana.
Yeah. Sure do.
Monty's turning his guns to you.
I know you got the island. So long as Mushu, you sink that Hindenburg, we're fine.
Yeah.
Just gotta make sure you sink it before it sinks you. Even if that means that technically you're gonna trade, it's fine. Or Moronius can take care of it, either one.
I think Prophet should go and take A. Or, never mind, he has shots, so.
Should I push this, Morgan?
Be careful about it, pop early.
I have Hydra up already.
Alright, then yeah, make the push. Just know that you're gonna have to torpedo dodge. But you do have support.
Can be super low.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
There we go.
And that's how you do it.
That's my favorite clan yet, though.
We're gonna have to find somebody to replace Prophet. Who's online?
Icarus, you got your Yang, right?
Yeah.
We can bring in Speedy if you want to replace Icarus's.
I'm
You want
thinking.
radar or?
Well, do you have a gearing by the way, or no?
Huh?
Do you have a gearing? You
No.
don't, right? Just you.
Yeah, I don't.
It's
Do
not
you want
ideal,
radar
but
or smoke?
Smoke. You're gonna be doing a lot of your own work.
I'm just gonna do a quick bio. I'm ready though.
Oh, I don't have torpedo mod 3.
Oh. Okay, Tyler.
What?
Your call. Do you want to bring Hornet in and his Yamato put me in a Des Moines, or do you
Yes,
want? Okay.
because the alternative is BGOG, and that's a rental.
So both of them are in a match together because they're playing in a division.
Okay, well then we'll be taking a short break.
Okay, I'm going bio.
What do you guys normally run on your Moskvas for Clan Wars?
Are we talking captain skills or?
Uh, modules and captain skills.
Okay, so for modules, I would probably go
Probably.
main armament because nothing else
Yeah.
is useful there. Damage control systems,
Mm-hmm.
aiming systems.
Yep.
Yeah. I put on a Moskva. It probably would be more helpful propulsion mod because quite often you're just bow tanking. I mean, I guess if you use a lot of steering modification, but even on my Des Moines, I use propulsion mod just to try to throw off their shots. Then everyone should be using concealment because why not? And then on a Moskva, I'd probably go main battery mod 3. Increase the fire rate.
And then, let's see, on my captains, I usually run priority, preventative. For some odd reason, I have expert loader on his, but I think that's just to kind of fill a space right now. Expert marksman, demo, superintendent, and then I go basics of survivability and survivability expert. Probably get rid of expert loader at some point and go with something else.
Yeah, get rid of expert loader. You're running too many level 1 skills, in my opinion.
Yeah, I just got expert loader right now for because I had a point and I wanted to have something rather than nothing.
I mean, I have 2 points on my Des Moines that I haven't put towards anything.
Yeah, I run almost the exact same build on my Des Moines, but I go priority, preventative, expert marksman, superintendent, demo expert, survivability, basics, and then I take adrenaline rush because
Yeah,
reasons.
personally, you said you're 17 point?
Yeah, he's 17 points on the Mossfa right now.
I would basically use an identical loadout I have for my Des Moines. This is me personally, though. I run an unusual loadout, I guess.
Okay, let's go a little bit back on topic. We need to get this ready up and going. We still got a
Okay.
little over an hour left. I want
Yeah.
to get in a storm tonight.
So, Maronis, unless you've set your captain skill to change, just ready up.
Need to win 2 straight, right?
Yep. Okay. Sleeping Giant. So. Wrong button. So, Hornet, I don't want you passing C until we make a push, is really what I want to happen. Because I just want to keep that range.
Want me at A or C?
God, you're really on the wrong side, Matt. Maronius. Maronius, you're going to be
Twice in
going.
a row now.
You're going to be going and holding A. You're going to be alongside Icarus.
I thought our new plan was to send Destroyer over at BC.
No, I haven't changed my plan at least.
Yeah, keep with what Morgan's plan was, which was the original. Don't worry about mine.
Oh, Matt hasn't told me if he's made a new plan yet.
There's no hint anyway, so just don't worry about it. I'll mention later.
And then everyone else, we're going to be going to the islands over. Make sure you know where Maronius is, because we don't want to slow him down. He's already got a long way to go. Targets? I mean, that's going to let you know based on what we spot. Boost Army, I want you to be the two taking the corner of the islands here.
Inside or outside?
Decide between the two of you.
Caboose, you watch the middle, I'll watch the inside.
Roger.
Okay, so it looks like we're going to be having either shimmy or gearing on this side. It's most likely going to be the shimma.
RBF.
That likely means that it's a gearing since a Yu Yang is in a stem place. Alright, we're gonna
I'm detected.
Alright, I'm detected as well. DD's gonna be over here.
Radar.
I'm gonna pop my radar.
No longer detected. Fukushima.
Popping
One.
Hydro.
How long is the Master Quest radar?
52 seconds.
It's
if the
pretty
leader
short.
extension.
Good damage to the Sheen. Alright, push. Everyone on this side, push. Got a huge number advantage.
Do you want me as well?
Who